Are you ready to make some paper flowers? I am going to share with you how to easily make paper flowers using your Cricut. If that sounds like something you want to see, stick around. I've got the full tutorial coming right up. Hey everybody, I'm Sarah. Welcome to Creative Ramblings, where I share simple, inspiring projects. From easy crafts to seasonal home decor, you're gonna find a new video right here every week. If that sounds like something that you like, consider subscribing so you don't miss my next video. Today, I've got a really simple craft for you today. I am gonna show you how to use your Cricut to make paper flowers. Now, I have made all kinds of paper flowers before, and I love decorating with them. Today, we are going to make these peonies right here. They're made out of a couple different colors of cardstock and hot glue. So I'm gonna walk you through how to pull up the file, how to cut it with your Cricut, and then how to assemble these cute little flowers. And then I am gonna show you how I am decorating with these this season. So let's jump right into this tutorial. So you're gonna open up Cricut Design Space, open up a blank canvas, and head over to Images, click on Cartridges, and search for Giant Flowers. You're gonna get all of these different options, and I'm gonna pull up this one right here, and it's gonna load all of the pieces onto my canvas. Now all of these different pieces make one flower. So you can make one at a time, or you can duplicate it. I'm gonna click Make It, and it's gonna divide it up onto 3 different papers for me and just guide me through all of my cuts. I'm gonna hit that green button in the corner, head over to my Cricut Explorer Air 2 and start loading the paper according to Design Space directions. Once all the pieces are cut and pulled off the mat, we can start assembling them. These petals are held together by just folding on top of themselves and securing with hot glue. You're going to do that for all 7 of the petals. Then you're going to take this little piece here with the tabs, and you are going to take the larger petals and slide them into each of those 4 slots. This is going to secure the outside of your flower. And then you're going to take the circle with the 3 slits in it and put your smaller petals into that one using the same method. Then using a little hot glue, we're going to put this 3-petaled piece inside of the 4-petaled piece. And now we can make the center. So to make the center, we're just going to fold over all of this fringe on each piece. The smaller piece is going to be held upside down inside the middle piece and secured with a little hot glue. And then this whole center is going to be glued right in the middle of the flower. I grabbed a white picture frame and put a piece of scrapbook paper in the back just to act as a nice background. And then I arranged all of my flowers in kind of an abstract manner on that paper. Used a little hot glue to secure them in place, and then finally added a little spring tag to finish off this frame. liked that? Isn't that picture frame beautiful? I'm looking forward to decorating with that this season. Now you can take these paper flowers and use them in a frame like I did. You could put them in a shadow box. You could add them to a wood sign. You could put them on stems and make a bouquet out of them. There are so many things you can do with paper flowers. Let me know down in the comments below, if you make paper flowers, how are you gonna decorate with them? Now, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please consider subscribing. I share simple projects just like this one every week. I want to thank you so much for watching today. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.